Today's video wanted to highlight on tracking Bitcoin using Market Cipher. And if you're new to this channel, the name is Odupa, a former server moderator and also a consultant for one of the best trading scripts called Market Cipher. Market Cipher is a trading script that gives you insight into the very direction of an asset. So when I say insight, it means you can trade with different scripts. I don't have a problem with it, but as to whether your script is giving you real-time empirical data or your script is literally showing you what's happening in the market, and it's up to that script. So Market Cipher is their script, is that script that literally shows you two things which are most influential: momentum and money. Every asset is backed by money. Money is more or less like a liquid that backs every asset that you're trying to trade. So if your oscillator doesn't show you that, it means that you're probably missing something. You understand? I don't have a problem with other oscillators or other scripts or other stuffs like the Fibonacci, retracement, the Ichimoku cloud, all these stuffs. It helps in trading. But the most important ones are the ones that I'm talking about: money flow and momentum. Momentum is force and money is liquid. Basically, these are the most important things that you need. So Market Cipher literally gives you that. So if you're new, you can like, subscribe, share, and you can also join my server as well. They do have an academy whereby you can book an appointment with any of these vetted and audited traders, and you can also learn stuff from their Discord. And today's video, I'm tracking Bitcoin, basically tracking in the very direction of Bitcoin using the script. So if I'm looking at the direction, we are still in the negative territories, and I'm on a daily time frame, which is a higher time frame. So basically, we are still red here. I'm looking at the direction of money. You can see we have red. We are still in the negative territories. And make no mistake, trading is all about buying and selling. So if the oscillators are in the negative, it means price is going down. You can short. If it's heading towards the positive, it means price is going up. You can long. The hardest part to trade is the areas of consolidation. So if it's up, you long; it's down, you short. Right. So the tough part is these parts. These are the tough parts. You understand? So you don't trade in these regions. It's hard. So basically, so let's look at the candles, how they move. They either move up like this, or the candles move down. That's it. So move down, move up, move down, move down. You understand? Like, let's go back. Let's do a back test. Oh. So basically like that. So let me remove these drawings. Mistakenly click on these stuffs. Never mind, don't worry. So move up here, they move down. Also, let me highlight a lot of candles so that you guys get it clearly. All right, so they move down here, consolidate, move down, move down. So basically, trading is buying and selling, up, down, and your script is more or less like the oscillators are basically what is giving you the direction, what is showing whether are we going up or are we going down. So if you see money in the green, it means there is money in the asset, so price evidently goes up, right? So money is in the asset is green. You have to realize that we have divided these regions into two. You have the positive territories and you have the negative territories. So the up is the positive, the down is the negative. So when money is in the negative, is red. When money is in the positive, is green. So when money and momentum both are in the positive, it means there's a spike in price upwards. When both are in the negative, there is a downtrend. So there's an inverse relationship: up and down, up positive, down negative, up positive, down. And Market Cipher basically simplifies it. So if you're looking at the overall direction of money flow with regards to Market Cipher, and the overall direction of money flow with regards to Market Cipher using momentum as well, you can realize that price is still downwards, right? You can realize that we are still bearish. Price is still down because the market is we're in a recession. So you can now see the reason why we are in the negative territory, because liquid is in the negative, momentum is in the negative. So what if we see these oscillators headed upwards into the positive territories? What happens to price? Price will go up. Same even if they go downwards. So Market Cipher models that gives you the direction, shows you where price is heading towards. You understand? So it shows you where the oscillators are heading towards, and these oscillators are influential. Imagine I was also using the RSIs and VWAP as my oscillator or primary oscillator of reference of trading. So let me repeat that again. If I was using VWAP and RSIs as my primary determinants of my trading, I would have probably been making wrong decisions because they are not influential. They are important, but they are not influential. The reason why I'm saying is you can have a vehicle, right? And you can have an engine, and you can have your steer, you can have your wheels, and you can have your seats and all this stuff. But you can lose your seats, but your car can move. But when you lose your engine, the car doesn't move. You understand? So basically, that's how market cipher works. Once you lose the key important oscillators, it affects your trading, and that's why most people are losing their trade, because there is this adage that says that 90% of all traders are losing the 10% of insider. It means 10% are using the engine to drive their vehicles, and 90% are basically don't have engines. Let me rephrase. Let me reframe it. The reason why most people are losing their trades is that most people are using scripts that, if I'm comparing them to a vehicle, they are not the engine. They are using like the steer, the blah blah blah, the windshield, blah blah blah. But others are also, the 10% are using the engine, which is the most important part of your vehicle, the engine and then the fuel. Sorry, yeah, the gas. You understand? So market cipher is like the engine and the gas. Is like the money flow is the liquid, and the momentum is the engine. These are influential and these are important. People are using these RSIs and VWAPs and Ichimoku cloud and Fibonacci retracement. All these stuff they work, but if I'm using market cipher, I'm ahead of the game. So you understand? So basically, I have a series of videos I've shown you guys how to enter a trade, blah blah blah, yada yada. And we are in a bearish market, so stops are down, everything is down, and I'm also being a little bit tight for stuff, so bear with me. When I get back to my videos, I'll be doing a lot of videos showing people how to start trading, blah 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 blah, the psychology, everything. Just get to know the fundamentals. And if you want to join the Discord as well, you can join the Discord. You can also learn for yourself. And basically, yeah. So to them people, have a nice time. Peace.